reviewing $120 worth of slime from Snoop Slimes. So I loved the packaging. She put in a really sweet note, 2 extra bags, a free squishy, and then all of the slimes came bubble wrapped. I didn't experience any cracked containers, no leakage, no spilling, and no slime explosions. Like, everything was done really nicely, and I really enjoyed the packaging. Also, her new containers and labels are everything. Like, they're so cute. So here I'm just like putting out everything I got in the package so you can see. First is Sugar Cookie Fluff. I did recently post a video of this on my Instagram. I know she's known for her clear slimes because they are honestly perfection, but her cloud slimes are amazing too. They're really soft, not too dry, not too wet, minimal snow fallout, and it's really fluffy, easy to drizzle, and this one specifically has such a vibrant color, really cute sprinkles, and a really nice scent. Next is Magic Kingdom. This is the same texture as Sugar Cookie Fluff, it's just a different color and it's scented like rainbow sherbet. This one is Sugar Cookie Frosting. All of her butter slimes are amazing as well. This one smells just like sugar cookies. I think it's the same scent as Sugar Cookie Fluff. It has a cute color, the same really cute sprinkles, and this one's like a really soft and creamy butter slime, which I really like. Next is Eucalyptus Spearmint. I don't know if you've been watching my recent videos where I share like my favorite slimes of the month, but I think I've included this one in at least 2 of my videos, and it's so amazing. So I've had one for like over a year, and then I decided to get a new one, and I still love how she keeps it really thick and dense, and this one's a little bit thicker and more dough-like compared to Sugar Cookie Frosting, and I really enjoy that about this slime, so it's more therapeutic. I don't know if that makes sense, but it's really good. Okay, so all of her crunchy slimes are amazing. Like, this one's Frozen Lemonade. Back in the summer, I posted a video and she reposted on her story and I literally freaked out. But that slime is still really good, but I wanted to get another one. And I do not regret that decision at all because it's really good. It also smells just like Frozen Lemonade, which is honestly one of my favorite things. Next is Dragon Fruit Slush. She also recognized my post and I was like, again, really shook. But this one is so amazing. It smells just like dragon fruit and it's super crunchy. Okay, grapefruit phloem from Snoop Slimes is so cute. Like, it's really simple, but I love it. Like, the scent is so amazing, and it's so crunchy, and the color is so pretty. And again, there's no bead fallout because it's that good. Last but certainly not least is Sprite Slush. Again, this one has no bead fallout. It smells just like Sprite. Like, what? And it's so crunchy. Like, I literally love this slime so much, and I play with it every day. So watch out for my new favorites video for May because this is going to be in it. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you made it here, please don't forget to give this video a like and subscribe, and please comment video ideas below. Bye!